ladies, this is a bonus in addition to how I just showed you how to make the fresh almond milk. I'm going to make a really quick smoothie that's going to be packed with protein, my almond milk, and some fruit. So first I'm going to use 1 cup of Dole mangoes. Next, I'm going to use a cup of mixed berry, this triple blend berry. I picked this up at Kroger. I'm going to use, not actually a cup, but about this much. So I'm going to dump that in there. And I'm going to use just a few strawberries, because all I have are just a few. And I got these from Trader Joe's. I think I'll just dump 1 more in there. And so I made too much almond milk to fit in my container, so I have some left here. I'm going to pour this in here. May not be enough. I'm going to just use a little bit more. That should be enough. And I'm going to put a scoop of this all plant protein powder in here. Can you see that? Okay, yeah. You need 1 scoop of that. I really like this protein powder because it's not gritty or anything like that. It's just really smooth. And it doesn't have a taste. It's not vanilla or chocolate or anything like that. It's just protein powder. And I'm going to put in a pack of probiotics. Put that in there. And then I'm going to put 1 pack of this fiber digestive mix in here. So I have everything ready to blend. I'm going to step over to my Vitamix and blend this, and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. We have blended everything up, and I'm just going to pour it here in my little, I don't know, what do you want to call it? Semi-wine glass. I like drinking out of this glass when I make a smoothie. And look at that. Doesn't it look amazing? Guys, if you don't know a little bit about me, I like to cook. I like making things in the kitchen. I grew up in a large family, a family of 9 kids. And so my mother was like, it was mandatory for us to learn how to cook. And since I've been on my own, I've been able to pick up recipes like this. But yes, look at this nutritious smoothie packed with all plant protein powder and our homemade almond milk. And look how much almond milk I still have left. Okay, I still have enough to make 2 or 3 more smoothies. Well, at least 3 more smoothies. So yeah, ladies, if you like this bonus edition, and if you would like to see me make more things in the kitchen, just leave me a comment below in the description box. I'm gonna go ahead and drink my smoothie this morning while I edit this video so I can get it up for you guys. Until next time, this is The Natural Cole.